Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add in Excel formula, how you can total columns in Excel. So let's start with the video. So this is my Excel form. This is my Excel sheet. I have some data. So if I want to add the columns here in this cell, so just I have to enter the equal sign and type sum. Then click the tab. The sum formula will come. Now you have to select the column of the data and value and just close your formula by closing bracket and just click. You can see the total add here in this cell. So this is how you can total in Excel. And if you want to apply this formula to all other cell, you just hold this corner of this cell and hold by your mouse and just scroll left or right. The formula will be applied to all rest of the cell. So if you delete anything in between the data, so you can see the formulas, the formula has update accordingly. If you update anything in cell, the total or sum will be changed automatically. So that is how you can add columns in Excel and column in Excel. I hope you like this video. Thank you for